Assalamu alaikum all of you. I hope you will be fine. Today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can restore deleted images without rooting your Android device. If you are new to the channel, then subscribe it and hit the bell icon for latest updates. So let's start video. First of all, I want to clear that for this trick you don't need to root your Android device. App link will be available in description. Visit on my website and you can download it now. After successfully downloading app, simply open it. I have it already and I open it. Now you have to tap on the search the image you want to restore. After tapping on this option, it will automatically start to scan your deleted images. This process will end when it completes its scanning. While scanning, you can tap on any folder which you want to restore. Then you click on the images. You can select multiple images to restore. After selecting images, now click on the restore images button at the right bottom and restore them. Now go back. This process will automatically end when it complete its scanning. Now click on the restore image. You can see all images which you restored. So I hope this video will be really helpful for you. Like video and share with others who need this kind of information, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.